Alright guys, we're gonna unbox a TP-Link AX1800 high gain wireless USB adapter 6 Ultra TX20 UH. So this is for the PC. Let's unbox it. Alright guys, so there it is, the USB adapter and the station dock. So this is how it looks like, guys. It's nice. There's quick instruction guide. And here's the station dock right here. Alright guys, so I took off the plastic, so it looks nice and better. So this is how it looks like. So it goes in like this. Like that. It's a little bit tough to put in. And that's it, that's how it looks like. Plugged in. And this is how you set it up. So you open my PC, this PC. And then go here. Alright guys, to click it, right click it, one as administrator, click yes, install. Okay, it's installing. Here it is, there's the blue line, now it's working. And yeah, and that's it, that's how you set it up, and that's how you connect it to your PC. Thanks for watching.